video is the second part of MOG Library's tutorial for the Academic Search Complete database. I'm going to show you how to do a more advanced search, as well as additional ways to refine your results to get the most helpful articles for your topic. This time, I'm going to search for articles about human rights issues in Central Asia. So I'm going to pick out databases from the list that seem the most helpful. I'll click here again, and I want to keep Academic Search Complete selected. But I'm also going to select the Middle Eastern and Central Asian Studies database, because it seems like it will be helpful too. Next, I'll click OK, and now I can type my search in the box. Human rights and Central Asia. Again, I want to select full text and scholarly peer-reviewed journals. But also, if we look here on the main page, we can see that there are more ways to limit our search. We could limit it by date, document type, or other options as well. You can choose these now, or we can use them to refine our search later. For now, let's go back to the top and click on Search. You can see we have a lot fewer results than last time, about 70 versus about 20,000. From this page, I can refine my results even further and also sort them in different ways. By default, the database sorts by relevance. We can instead sort by date if we click here. If I only want the most recent articles, I can also limit the date in the sidebar here by dragging the slider. I'm going to tell the database to only return articles from the last few years. The database will automatically update the results listing. Next, I can choose source type. Depending on your search, you might have options like newspaper articles, book reviews, or others. I'm going to select academic journal. You can also see next to each option how many results fall into each category. There are other options in the same sidebar that I can use to limit my search, like subject or geography. You can click as many boxes in each category as you need to narrow down your result. If you narrow your search too far and want to go back to a wider search, we can see all the ways that you're limiting your search in this list. You just have to click the X next to the criteria that you don't want to use anymore. Now we'll click on a result again to see the detailed listing. Most articles will have a list here of subject terms and keywords. You can click on any of these to start a new search. It's a good way to find similar sources or to find the right word for a certain aspect of your topic so you can do a better search later. Again, we can click on PDF full text, and we can read the article, or save the article, print, or email it to ourselves for later. One more feature of Academic Search Complete is the automatic citation feature. If I click this button, it brings up an automatic citation for all major citation styles that I can then copy and paste into my paper. Just make sure that you check the automatic citation with your style guide, because sometimes the database may not format the citation exactly right, so you should always double check that it's accurate. This concludes part 2 of MOG Library's video tutorial of Academic Search Complete. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, please stop in at the reference desk, give us a call at extension 3686, or visit the library homepage at mog.ysu.edu.